What's up, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a volcano. You can follow along if you want, and I'll give you the instructions. It's a very extremely in video. I suggest this video be less than a minute. We're going to do it about 2-ish times. You can follow along, and I'll show you the materials in a second. I published some YouTube videos. Search Chase Jenny, click the first thing you see, CHASE space JA and then EY. And then if it says like something like Ronnie Chase, don't click that. That's not me. Just Chase Jenny. And then you should find my YouTube channel, and you'll find like Surf Up, People Sit, Avengers, all of those. Hope you'll like them because they're pretty good. This is one thing you'll need. You'll need some water. You'll need a glass, well, just a cup, with some ice in it. Well, it doesn't have to be ice, I guess. And you need a soda that can fizz. You might want to get a glass with some ice in it because just every time I tried that, it worked. See that? Locked. My door is locked. Oh. Here we go. This is gonna be easy. Just gonna need some. It's not gonna take long. Just like let's make this quick. Working. Yay. See if it flips. Yay, we got ourselves a volcano. So that was awesome. Don't have enough ginger root beer. I kind of don't want to use it all in the experiment and drink some. Oh, and by the way, just to advertise the YouTube channel, my favorite YouTuber is DamTDM. If you haven't watched him, please watch him. But don't let him get in the way of my channel, because you still want to watch mine. But maybe watch both.